Finishing a perfect manicure requires a great UV LED nail lamp, which will give you gorgeous looking nails in no time. UV LED lamps are essential for gel nail polishes, as nails with gel polish require more than air drying. These lamps take less time to dry your nails completely, and they give you a salon quality results right at your home. Whether you're a professional nail artist or simply enjoy painting your nails, these lamps are a must-have for you. So in today's video, we're going to talk about the 5 best UV LED nail lamps, which will give your nails the perfect finish you desire. Let's check them out.
The trendy beauty team, consisting of skincare and beauty experts, presents the best suitable products for you based on testing, reviews, and recommendations. We research thoroughly for each category on ingredients, formulas, pricing, and feedbacks of users so that you get the best products for your skincare, saving your time.
If you're looking for a nail lamp with a high power which will provide you with fast and efficient drying results, the Easkep 120 watt UV LED nail lamp is a great option that you can consider. It's a high efficiency lamp with 120 watts of power and 36 pieces of LED lamp beads. It has 4 different time settings and a smart auto sensor. The digital time display shows the nail drying time for your convenience. The soft purple light of this lamp is comfortable for your eyes and skin. The high power enables it to cure your gel polish faster. The full cover of LED lamps cures your nails evenly and quickly. The lamp comes with a removable bottom plate and a portable handle for easy cleaning. You can cure all gel polishes and get salon quality results at home with the help of this UV LED nail lamp. This nail lamp has earned a huge number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon. According to the reviews, it's a lightweight product which is easy to handle and operate. The finishing results are smooth, and you can skip the salon and save your money by using this lamp at home. But besides all the praises, some users were disappointed in the product. Let's check out the ratings for this nail lamp. The SUNUV 24 watt UV LED nail lamp comes with convenient features and dual light sources, which last long for maximum user experience. This 24 watt UV LED nail lamp has 18 pieces of LED lamps, which can last up to 50,000 hours or more. The lamp has 2 different time settings and a 1-button design for choosing the duration according to your need. The lamp has a smart sensor, which enables it to start automatically when you put your hands in. This lamp is great for gel polishes. It has a big space to fit your whole hand and foot. The lamp is lightweight and portable, and it's safe for eyes and skin as well. The SUNUV 24 watt UV LED nail lamp has earned a huge number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. The reviews say it all. This lamp provides salon quality results whenever you want. It's easy to use and cures gel polish quite well. But some of the users said that the lamp takes too much time for nails to dry properly. Time to check out the ratings. Our next preferred product is the JEWHITENY 54 watt UV LED nail lamp, which comes to the rescue for your gel polish drying hazards. This nail lamp has a superpower of 54 watts and 18 LED lamp beads. It comes with an auto sensor design and 3 timer settings, so you can use the lamp according to your desire. This lamp has an LCD display for monitoring the time progress. It is suitable for curing all types of LED nail polishes. It dries your nail gel quickly without causing any harm, and it doesn't hurt your eyes or blacken your hands. This nail lamp works for all USB-powered devices. It's a smart and user-friendly nail lamp, which is great for salon or at-home use. The JEWHITENY 54 watt UV LED nail lamp has earned many reviews and ratings on Amazon. Users love this product as it actually works. It's a lightweight and convenient product which dries your nails really fast, but some of them complained that the lamp did not work for them. Time to check out the ratings. The SUNUV 48-watt UV LED nail lamp is a great option for those people who are looking for a nail lamp for all kinds of gel polishes. This lamp has a high power of 48 watts, and it comes with 33 pieces of LED lights. It has 4 different timer settings and a smart sensor for ease of use. The lamp has a hand pillow on top where you can rest your hands when applying gels, and it also has a detachable tray which makes it easy to dry your feet. The white light of this lamp is comfortable, so it doesn't hurt your eyes or blacken your hands. You don't need to change any lamp bulbs. The lamp works fast, it's energy efficient, and it comes with a durable construction as well. This UV LED lamp has earned quite a number of positive reviews and ratings on Amazon from its users. According to the reviews, this lamp does its job quite well. It's also a great option for professionals as well as beginners. But besides all the positive reviews, some users said that the product did not meet their expectations. It's time to rate this UV LED nail lamp. The LKE 40-watt UV LED nail lamp is our best pick for today's video, which is highly appreciated by users around the world for its great design and user-friendly features. It's a 40-watt nail lamp which comes with 21 LED lights. The lamp has time selection buttons which allow you to set the timer according to your necessity. It has an intelligent sensor design. The LED will automatically activate themselves when you put your hand underneath the lights. The nail lamp is made of anti-break ABS, which makes it lightweight. It comes in a unique shape as well. It has an LCD digital screen and charging interface for ease of use. This lamp is only suitable for nail products which contain UV ingredients. It's easy to clean, and the soft light of this lamp prevents browning of your skin. The LKE 40-watt UV LED nail lamp has earned a massive number of reviews and ratings on Amazon. After going through the reviews, users love this lamp as it provides great results, it's a great lamp for beginners, and it's quite easy to use as well. But some users complained that they were not satisfied with the product. Let's check out the ratings for this nail lamp. Those were our top 5 best UV LED nail lamps. Thank you so much for watching our video. If you liked the video, then hit like and share with your friends. Comment below to let us know your thoughts. Consider subscribing to the channel if you love our videos and press the bell icon to get notified of our future videos.